Hello everyone. Do you get some comments on your Instagram stories that you want to remove but don't know how to do it? In today's video, I will show you how to delete comments on an Instagram story. If you've received unwanted or hateful comments on your stories, this tutorial will help you learn how to easily delete them. So here's how to do it. Stay tuned until the end. First, open your Instagram app and log into your account. When you're on the homepage of the Instagram app, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner to open the story where you want to remove a specific comment. Here's my story, and I have only one comment as an example, but your story may have many comments. Swipe up from the bottom to open the story viewer section, and at the top, you'll see all the different comments people have left on your Instagram story. Find the comment you want to delete and tap on the three dots next to the comment to open a menu with options. In the menu, find the option to delete the comment and tap on it. This will automatically delete the comment you wanted to remove. You can repeat this process for any other comments you'd like to delete. And that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel. Stay well, and I'll see you very soon.